Yeah, so I grew up in southeast Alabama, in the heart of cotton and peanut country. As a teenager, my family moved to Arkansas. We relocated to central Arkansas. From a young age, I always liked to see tractors and be around tractors and equipment and mechanical things. So my philosophy has always been to sell through service. So anything you can do, whether it's to go out and help a customer optimize the performance of a machine, or if there's an issue that comes up, make sure that number one priority is to take care of that customer in a timely manner. W&A has a really rich history in the Delta region in particular. A few years ago, when it was acquired by the AGROdeviate group, there's been a huge push for innovation, not only to go back through and revamp some of our heritage products that have been around for a long time, but also to create new products and to grow with the customers, understand what farmers' needs are, and to build machinery, build tools that are going to help them. I really enjoy woodworking, building furniture, and small projects like that. It's great to get in the shop, work with wood. It's something that's it's hands-on, can be creative, and when you get done, you have a sense of accomplishment for whatever it is that you built. If I had $1 million to spend, I would have a helicopter.